Hi, boys and girls, it's Mr. Igo and
Mrs. Walker.
we're going to be doing our Heggerty Phonemic Awareness. Now, phonemic awareness is working with the sounds and words. So we're going to be doing that Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And today, Mr. Igo gets to be the teacher and Mrs. Walker is the
Student.
Okay, so you guys are going to be doing the same thing that Mrs. Walker does. Our very first skill is rhyme recognition. So if the words sound the same at the
And
then they are rhyming words. If they don't sound the same at the end, it's not. So thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't rhyme. Ready to go? All right, our first pair is go, no.
yes.
Yes, me.
No.
Sad, mad.
Yes.
Out, pig.
No.
Run, fun.
Yes.
In, lap.
No.
Rip, bag.
No.
Very good. Our next one, guys, we are going to do the first sound. So the first sound in the word baker. First sound in happy. Candle. Dinner. Gentle. Awesome, and that's G's second sound. Remember, G's first sound says G, and in the word gentle, it's saying J. Awesome, guys. Next up, we're going to blend some words. So we're going to start with them apart. We're going to do play, ground, and then put them together into leadership,
Leadership.
kick, stand,
Kickstand.
egg, plant,
Eggplant.
outside,
Outside.
footprints,
Footprint.
snow, man,
Snowman.
postcard,
Postcard.
moon, light,
Moonlight.
gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
Awesome, guys. Next up, we're going to do the last sound or the final sound in the word. Okay, we don't want the first sound. We don't want the middle sound. We want the last sound. Mrs. Walker, what's the last sound in the word duck? Awesome. Rope. Huge. Hen. Froze. Neat. Less. Awesome, guys. We are on to the next page. Very, very nice, first grade. All right, next up, we are going to segment our words. So we're going to break them apart. So this time, we're going to start together with classroom, and then it's going to go into
Class. Room.
good. Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Lifeguard.
Lifeguard.
Eyebrow.
Eyebrow.
Bookmark.
Bookmark.
Baseball.
Baseball.
Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Sunset.
Sunset.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Sailboat.
Sailboat.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, next we're going to add a word. So I'm going to say the first word, you're going to repeat it, and then I'll tell you what to add to the end. So the word is card,
Card.
add board,
Cardboard.
gold,
Gold.
add fish,
Goldfish.
side,
Side.
add walk,
Sidewalk.
water,
Water.
melon,
Watermelon.
lawn,
Lawn.
mower,
Lawnmower.
moon,
Moon.
light,
Moonlight.
yard,
Yard.
stick.
Yardstick.
Awesome. Now we're going to do the opposite. So I'm going to tell you the whole word, the two of them put together, and then you're going to take off the end part. Airport.
Air.
Hold on, do the whole word first.
Oh.
So airport
Airport.
without port.
Air.
Everybody
Everybody.
without buddy.
Every.
Notebook.
Notebook.
Don't say book.
Note.
Bedtime
Bedtime.
without time.
Bed.
Basketball
Basketball.
without ball.
Basket.
Haystack
Haystack.
without stack.
Hay.
Pancake
Pancake.
without cake.
Pan.
Sunflower
Sunflower.
without flower.
Sun.
Toothbrush
Toothbrush.
without brush.
Tooth.
Awesome, very good. We're done with our second page. We have one more. We're almost finished, guys. All right, so now we have that whole word. You're going to copy me again. So the first word is sunset.
Sunset.
And now we're going to change that ending word. So we're going to change from sunset, and we're going to change it to rise. So what would that new word be?
Sunrise.
Good. And now sunrise,
Sunrise.
change to light.
Sunlight.
Sunlight,
Sunlight.
change to shine.
Sunshine.
Sunshine,
Sunshine.
change to flower.
Sunflower.
Sunflower,
Sunflower.
change to burn.
Sunburn.
Sunburn,
Sunburn.
change to shade.
Sunshade.
Sunshade,
Sunshade.
change to day.
Sunday.
Sunday,
Sunday.
change to sunset, or change to set.
Sunset.
Oh, Mr. Ego got a little confused. All right, guys, so next up is some alphabet knowledge, working with letters. We're going to do that in our phonics video, so we'll skip that one for right now. The very last skill we're going to do is you are going to count the number of words in the sentence. Welcome to my classroom.
Welcome to my classroom.
Awesome. 4 words. We walk in the hallway.
We walk in the hallway. 5.
Popcorn is a good snack.
Popcorn is a good snack.
Very good. Ooh, this is a big one. We are kind to everyone in our class.
We are kind to everyone in our class.
What do you like to play outside?
What do you like to play outside?
Good, 7 of them. All right, guys, and real quick, there's one with an exclamation point. What do we do when we see an exclamation point, Mrs. Walker?
Use expression when we say it.
Use expression sound. So I was going to say it excited, and then Mrs. Walker will say it excited. Welcome to my classroom.
Welcome to my classroom.
Down here we have a question mark, so we're going to have to change our voice to a question. Do the same as Mr. Ego. What do you like to play outside?
What do you like to play outside?
Awesome. Well, that is the end of our first day of Heggerty Phonemic Awareness. Nice job, first grade. See you later.